Hi guys, I am JC Reoja and I will be teaching you how to link a web page to another web page. So let's go started. So here's the laptop. So first we will use this app called HTML Kit. You can download it on Google Chrome. So let's go to the HTML Kit. So here's my HTML code and paragraphs. So I have this title, MOBA games. It's more like 5v5. So I choose this game called League of Legends, and here's the description of this particular game. This code is used for linking. Here's the name of other web page, and here's the name of the link. And it is used to put pictures. So let's go to the website. So let's go to the website that I make. So here's the website that I make. So let's try the link. So here's the gameplay of the League of Legends. So that's all guys. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.